constructed here. We're feeling excited. We
Have
can
you-
cycle now.
Have you ever done this before?
No, this is the first time. We've all become engineers.
Amazing so far. Amazing. We've had so much fun.
It's been wonderful. I think having met everybody, and I was one of the first to join and see this great leadership. I think it is just meeting old friends.
Offsite is fantastic.
We're going to be offsite here and I'm totally loving it.
For the first time. No, I'm just kidding. No, it feels great to be with everybody, trying to do the same thing and helping each other out. I think it's a wonderful experience.